Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Vegas Pro error code 14. The error reads, "The serial number you have entered is invalid or may apply to another product. Please make sure you entered it correctly or check whether you entered the serial number of another product." If the problem persists, you can get help on the support website. As per our research, this error comes when users try to activate their Vegas Pro software. It usually happens after installing the software and attempting to register it with a serial number. According to our research, the error is likely caused by using a wrong or mismatched serial number, such as one meant for a different version or product. It can also happen if you mistyped the serial number or reused one that's already activated. First, check the indicated serial number for any typos. Make sure you are entering the exact code as provided. If the error continues and you have purchased multiple Vegas applications, then verify that you are using the serial number specific to the program you are trying to activate. If the error still comes, then try removing and reinstalling the program. After reinstalling, attempt the activation again and check if the error still comes. If you are reactivating the software on a new device, then go to your account and deactivate the old activations. Then try registering the program again. If these steps don't help, then we suggest you contact the support team and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.